Hello children, now let us discuss exercise 10.3. Here we are going to discuss about the area of various regular shaped figures and irregular too in one or two cases. So first, area of a rectangle, we are going to work on it. Question 1. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are given. So here there are 4 sub questions. The sides of rectangle are given, which means length and breadth of rectangle are given. We need to find the area. The formula for finding area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So for the first case, it is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. When you multiply 3 into 4, you get 12. And just notice the unit 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, you will get centimeter square. So while writing the area of any regular shaped figures, we should multiply the units also. Question B. 12 meter and 21 meter. So 12 into 21 is 252. Meter into meter is meter square. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So for the third case, 2 kilometer into 3 kilometer will be 6 kilometer square. Look at the question number D. One is 2 meter, the other number is 70 centimeter. So what we have to do is either we should convert to both the units to meter or both should be in centimeter. So here we can convert to meter. So 70 centimeter, when you convert to meter, it becomes 0.7. Okay, that is 1 by 100. So 2 meter into 0.7 meter is equal to 1.4 meter into meter is meter square. Question 2. Find the areas of the squares whose sides are given. We know square has 4 sides and all 4 sides are equal. So one side measurement will be given, that is the common one for all the 4 sides. First one, you see 10 centimeter. The formula for finding area of a square is side into side. So that is 10 into 10, it is 100. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So the answer is 100 centimeter square. Question B, 14 centimeter. Area of a square formula is side into side. So 14 into 14 is 196. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Question C. Area of square is side into side. Therefore, 5 meter is the question. 5 into 5 is 25. Meter into meter is meter square. So your answer is 25 meter square. Question number 3. The length and the breadth of 3 rectangles are given below. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area? So what we have to do is, for each one, for all 3 rectangles, we will find the area. Then we will compare and say which has the largest and which has the smallest area. For the first case, 9 meter and 6 meter. We already know length or area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So 6 nines are 54. Meter into meter is meter square. For second one, 17 meter and 3 meter. When I multiply 17 into 3, I get 51 meter square. For question C, 4 into 14. Length into breadth is 4 into 14. You get 56 meter square. So among this, which is the largest, 54 or 51 or 56? Obviously, 56 is the largest. Therefore, the third rectangle is the largest area and the second one has the smallest area. Question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 meter square. Find the width of the garden. So here they have given the length of the rectangle. Okay, and the area of the rectangle is also given. Till now we were finding the area. Here area is given, length is also given. We need to find the breadth. So see, we have a formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. From this, keep breadth in one side. This length will be taken to the other side. So breadth will be equal to area of rectangle by length. What is area of the rectangle here? 300. Length is 50. So 300 by 50, which is equal to 6 meter. So the breadth of the garden is 6 meter. Fine. Now we'll move to question number 5. What is the cost of tiling a regular plot of land, and it is rectangular plot of land with 5 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. So there is a rectangular plot of land. The length is 500 meter, breadth is 200 meter. So here they have asked to find the cost of tiling. They are going to put tiles for this rectangular plot. So first we will find the area. Okay, then they've given, you see, rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. So for 100 square meter it is 8. So for the total area, how much it is, we need to find like that. Fine. So now length is given 500 meter, breadth is given 200 meter. So for finding the area of a rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. 500 into 200, you will get 1 lakh meters square. Since they have given cost of tiling 100 square meter of land is 8, cost of tiling 1 lakh square meter will be 8 by 100 into 1 lakh. Okay, for 100 square meter it is 8. So for 1 square meter will be 8 by 100. For 1 lakh will be 8 by 100 into 1 lakh. So on doing the calculation, we will come into the answer as 8,000. So the cost will be rupees 8,000 for tiling 1 lakh meter square of this rectangular plot. Question 6. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 15 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? So here there is a tabletop, the top of the table. It will be in rectangular shape. The length is given as 2 meter. Breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So we'll just convert it and write it as 1.5 meter. Okay, because both has to be in same units for that purpose. Now what will be the area of this table? By finding length into breadth, we can get it. So 2 into 1.5 is 3 meters square. So the area of the tabletop is 3 meters square. Question 7. Your room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So there is a room, its length and breadth is given. We are going to cover the floor with the carpet. Okay, so completely we are going to cover. First of we need to find how much carpet is needed. That means how much area has to be occupied by the carpet. Length is given as 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. So we can convert this to meter, we get 3.5 meter. Area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. So 4 into 3.5 is 14 meters square. So we need 14 meters square of carpet to cover the floor. Question 8. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So here there is a floor with 5 meter length and 4 meter breadth. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Like we have the floor carpet for wiping the legs. Here they are putting a square shaped carpet. So all throughout the floor they have given, in that big floor only one square carpet is placed. So other than the carpet, how much area is kept empty? We need to find it out. So first we will find the area of the floor, then the area of this carpet. So from the whole floor, if you subtract this carpet area, we will get the remaining. So area of the floor will be, since it is in the rectangular shape, length into breadth, 5 into 4 is 20, unit is meter square. Now side of the carpet, one side is given for square 3 meter. Since it is square shape, the formula will be side into side, so it is 3 3s are 9 meters square. Now the area which is not carpeted will be 20 minus 9, which gives you 11 meters square. So the 11 meters square of floor is not carpeted. Moving to question number 9, we find 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So there is a land with 5 meter length and 4 meter breadth. There is a rectangular land. In that they are putting flower beds. They are making square shaped flower beds for each colored flower. And their sides are 1 meter. Okay. Now, after digging like this, how much area of land will be remaining? We need to find that. So first we will find the area of the square bed. Since it is in square shape, it is side into side. So 1 into 1 is 1 meter square. So such, how many flower beds they are making? They are making 5 square flower beds. So 5 into 1 will be 5. So 5 meter square of area is used for what? For making the flower beds. Now, what is the length of the land? 5 meter. The breadth is 4 meter. So now we should find the area of the land, that is length into breadth, that is 5 fours are 20 meters square. Now, out of this 20 meters square, only 5 meters square is used for flower beds. What will be the remaining? We'll find it by subtracting them. 20 minus 5 is 15 meters square. Therefore, 15 meters square of area is remaining in the land after making 5 flower beds in it. Question number 10. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find the areas. So here they have given some shapes. What we are going to do is we are going to split them into various rectangles. So for the first one, you see, you can divide it into 4 different shapes, 4 different rectangles. Okay, so for each one, according to the numbers they have given, you can find out the sides, what will be the length and the breadth. Just take the first rectangle which is mentioned under the answer. Take the first rectangle. In the first rectangle, you can see the length is 4, breadth is 2. So 4 twos are 8 centimeters square. In the second rectangle, 6 into 1, so 6 centimeters square. Third rectangle, 3 twos are 6 centimeters square. Fourth rectangle, 4 twos are 8 centimeters square. Now, what will be the total area? 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8, adding all the areas of each different rectangles, and finally the answer is 28 centimeter square. Now similarly for the B question, you can see this diagram also is split into 3 different rectangles. For each rectangle, the length and the breadth remains same. The length is 3, breadth is 1. So in each case, on finding the area, you get 3 centimeters square, 3 centimeters square and 3 centimeters square. So what will be the total? 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 centimeters square. Question 11, similar to question number 10. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. So for A question, you have a L shape, isn't it? So you can split them into 2 different rectangles, one with length 12 and breadth 2, the second one with length 8 and breadth 2. So 12 twos are, you get 24 as the area of a first rectangle, 8 twos are 16 as the area of a second rectangle. On adding them, you get 40 centimeters square, which is the area of the whole figure which is given in A. Question B. Again, this particular diagram can be divided into 3 shapes, and one is a rectangle, the other twos are squares. So for the first rectangle, the length is 21, breadth is 7. On finding the area of rectangle using the formula length into breadth, you get 21 into 7, 147 centimeters square. The other two, you can notice they are in the shape of square. The 4 sides are equal. So what will be the formula? The formula is side into side. So 7 into 7 is 49 in both the cases. Now we get 147 centimeters square, 49 centimeters square, and again 49 centimeters square. So what will be the total area? We need to add these 3. On adding them, we get 245 centimeters square. The third diagram is the shape of a T, which can be splitted into 2 different rectangles. The first rectangle with 5 into 1, that is 5 as a length, 1 as a breadth. The area will be 5 centimeters square. For the second one, length is 4, breadth is 1, so 4 ones are 4 centimeters square is the area of it. So what will be the total area? 5 plus 4 will be 9 centimeter square. Question number 12. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 cm and 144 cm, 70 cm and 36 cm? So here, just imagine we are going to place tiles. Each tiles as a measurement, length as 12 and breadth as 5 centimeters. Okay, so we'll see there are 2 different floors. Question A is one floor, question B is another floor. In question A, the floor measurement is 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. So one is length, the other is breadth. In this full area, we are going to place tiles of this 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So first, the area of the region will be The floor will be 100 into 144 length into breadth. You get 14,400 centimeters square. Now, what will be the area of one tile? 12 fives are 60 centimeters square. So, to find number of tiles required will be equal to area of the region by area of the tile. So, total area is 14,400. That should be divided by area of one tile. On dividing, we get 240 tiles. So, we need 240 tiles to cover that area. Similarly, for question B, you see, the length and breadth of the floor is 70 centimeter, 36 centimeter. We already know the area of one tile is 60 centimeters square. So we'll find the area of the new floor. That will be 70 into 36. You get 2520 centimeters square. Similar to question A, number of tiles will be equal to area of the whole region by area of one tile. So 2520 by 60, which gives you 42. So that we can conclude we need 42 tiles for covering this new region. So with this, we are ending our exercise 10.3.